The underlayment will be 4 by 8 sheets of plywood, a 1/4 inch thick. The Bridges Construction Renovation program is a career pathway with the district in which juniors and seniors in high school can take this class, build a house. They're on the job site, usually roughly three days a week, and then in the classroom 1 or 2 days a week. And then they earn 7 credits with NWTC in the areas of framing, exterior finishes, and introduction to carpentry, which follow it into their carpentry program at NWTC, along with getting an OSHA certification and another industry certification.
One of my proudest moments in the Bridges programs is finishing the shed at Minoka Hill School, because it's nice to start something and finish it. Also, when I'm older, I can drive by and remember my baby steps of construction. And the same thing here at the house of Quincy, when my classmates and I finish it.
We're pretty much building houses for the community, for people to live in, and we're providing shelter for people, and it's a necessity to survive. And we're getting employable skills that we can never lose, and that also helps with the workforce community.
Throughout the Bridges construction program, we learned a lot of skills, mostly with basic carpentry and with the construction field as a whole. I know a lot more about the career choices I have available to me now, and I have a set of skills that no one can take away from me to always have a job and a career throughout the future.
The reason why I applied for the program was because I liked working outside and working with my hands.
The careers that this program prepares students for primarily focus around carpentry because of the nature of the class, but it exposes them for the areas of architecture, engineering, the mechanical systems that go into a building from HVAC to plumbing to electrical, but it continues to expose them to all the other opportunities within the trades.
Definitely don't be afraid to join the program. It's something that you can learn for a lifelong process of building steps towards a better future and career. You've got nothing to lose in trying it. It's definitely something I recommend.
I see this program continuing on a yearly basis to build a house with a garage on both sides of the river around different parts of the Green Bay community, and continuing to kind of help that partnership with NeighborWorks and our district and the community as a whole.